Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 2:15 p.m. At 1:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Evanston, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Chicago, Evanston, Skokie, Glenview, Niles, West Town, Englewood, Bridgeport, Chicago Loop, South Lawndale, South Shore, Lakeview, Irving Park, West Ridge, Lincoln Park, Chicago Lawn, Austin, Roseland, Wilmette, Navy Pier, Northerly Island, Rogers Park, near North Side, Logan Square, and Uptown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm